you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back home. Know that you're coming back.
So before this video gets started, I would like to give a few shout outs. So here are the shout outs for this vid. Please go check out their channels, links in the description. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on with the video. So this is my emergency bag. It just has some sequins on it and it is very, very shiny. I do not know where it is from originally because I got it from a thrift store, but yeah, this is my emergency bag. So the first thing I have is my mask. I know this one looks kitty, but this is my backup one. I have my other one in my mom's car, but if you're going somewhere, guys, please always wear and bring a mask with you. Next, I have a pad. Girls, even if you don't think it's your time of the month, please always bring a pad with you just in case. Next, I have some money. It is always a good idea to, if you can, have a few bills on you for emergencies. Next, some chapstick because you don't want your lips looking cracked and chapped at school or anywhere. Next, some lip gloss to keep my lips looking shiny throughout the day. And then I have my Apple Watch, which is very dirty because I left it in my book bag one day overnight, so yeah, my mistake. But if anyone knows how to clean an Apple Watch, please just let me know in the comments. Then next I have my glasses here. Next, now since I have braces, I have to bring some stuff with me. These are my rubber bands, which I have to wear basically 24/7. Then I have my floss, mint flavored. Next, I have a proxy brush which helps me clean the little tiny spaces in between my teeth and helps get food from out of there. And then last, I have my floss threaders. It's harder to floss with braces, so this helps to make it easier. And then obviously, as you can see, I can't fit my water bottle in my bag, but I recommend always bringing some water with you. Even if you don't drink water daily, you know, if you're thirsty, water is always a good choice. So yeah, that's all the stuff I had in my emergency kit bag. So that is it for this video. If you enjoyed the vid, please give it a thumbs up. And if you enjoy my content, please don't forget to subscribe. And please also don't forget to check out the shoutouts channel, links in the description. And thank you for watching. Bye.